easy steps to file income tax return for AY 2020-21. Why contact FinagBooks? Still confused? Or didn't file your income tax return for assessment year 2020-21? No worries, we are having a solution for you. FinagBooks not only helps you in filing income tax return in the easiest way, but also gives you tips and advices to reduce your tax liability. You just need to follow these simple steps and you are done. Firstly, visit the official income tax website www.incometaxfiling.gov.in. If you are new to e-filing, click on Register Yourself and fill a short form with details including your name, middle name, surname, PAN number, date of birth, residential status, and make yourself a registered user on income tax website. If you are already a registered user, click on Registered User, fill your user ID and password and log in into your account. After login into your account, click on My Account and select Form 26AS Tax Credit from the drop-down menu. Click on Confirm and you will get forwarded to the Traces website. View Form 26AS by filing your assessment year and selecting the given format. You can view Form 26AS in both HTML as well as text format. You can also export it as PDF. It will show you the TDS amount deducted by the Income Tax Department. After seeing your Form 26AS, come back to the dashboard and clicking on Filing of Income Tax Return to file your income tax return for AY 2020-21. Enter your PAN number, assessment year, ITR form number and submission mode. You can easily file your return online or uploading it through XML. You will see the bank details in the footer section. In case you are claiming refund, just choose the account in which you want to get your refund. It will take you to the screen where you need to file Form ITR1. Read the general instructions given under the first tab before entering your details in Form ITR1. Form ITR1 should only be filled by salaried individuals, either government or private, earning income up to 50 lakhs. You will get almost all your details auto-filled in the Form ITR1. You just need to check and edit the details if anything mentioned is wrong. Or you can also make additions to it. Under Part A General Information tab, there are 3 sections which are recently added to the form and are mandatory for filing. First case, if your current account exceeds the amount of 1 crore or more in the previous year. Second case, if you have spent rupees 2 lakhs or more in a foreign travel in the previous year. Third case, if your electricity consumption is rupees 1 lakh or more in the previous year. Do save your draft at times while filing income tax return, unless you will lose all your data. Under the second tab, Computation of Income Tax, you just need to check your gross salary. Add the allowances which are already mentioned in your Form 16, such as LTA, HRA, etc. Choose your house property, income from other sources, and you will get your gross total income. Avail the eligible deductions in Part C, whichever applicable, and you will get your total income. After filling all the details, your tax will automatically get calculated by the software. Under the next tab, Tax Details, you will find all your TDS details. If you are having tax to pay, pay the tax. Mention the BSR code, date of deposit, serial number of challan, and tax amount paid under the SCHIT details of advance tax and self-assessment tax payments. Cross-check your details under the tab Taxes Paid and Verification. If you are having refund to claim, you will see it under the refund column. Select the bank account in which you want to get your refund credit. Enter the required details in the 4 important new columns: Schedule DI, Schedule ATD, Schedule ATG, and Schedule ATGGA, respectively. Choose your capacity from the drop-down menu as self, mention the place, preview, and submit your ITR online. e-verify your ITR, and complete your income tax return filing process. Thank you.